These are really old cups that I have. One of them really broke to the point where I can't even fix it. It's usually over here. And I bought him a new cup. Similar in color, a little darker, you see? But he would not go in and eat. That's strange, right? He'd rather go back into his old cage in here. This cage is where he sleeps. While you're inside. Don't you want to come out and eat? Come on. Go inside and eat. So even though he's a very tame bird, new things spooks him too. Put the old cup underneath, which is empty, and then he went right into the cage and started to eat from the new cup. See? It's not that scary. It's a good thing, right? You got a new cup with your yum yum. Very good boy. So new things spook the birds, even though they're all tamed. Okay, you'll get used to it. Actually, it's the same tone as your swing. Look. So now that he's eating from the new bowl, that just took 1 second. I'm surprised. I'll take back the old bowl, and that's how I eased him into new things.